and he's also losing power.
That's it.
It was not an easy one. So today we've got this Mercedes-Benz E-Class 642 engine. The customer's complaint is he's got the check engine light on the dashboard and he's also losing power. Let's see what the issue is. First things first is we're going to plug the diagnostics machine. Engine light on the dashboard. And the car's flat, it's losing power. It's completely flat. This looks like it's new. You know what? This looks like it's new, no? I think they've just changed this. They've changed this thinking that this was the problem. This is like £900, no? So we see we've got multiple issues, multiple fault codes, but the one that we're looking at today is to do with the engine. And straight away we've seen that the soot content on the diesel particulate filter is too high and the charge movement flap has a malfunction. We're going to first check the diesel particulate filter, the fill level of diesel particulate filter, and as you can see here, the soot content is too high. It's meant to be 9 or below. Right now it's 30. Wow, that's very high. So now the DPF is probably blocked. The DPF may have been blocked because of the charge movement flap. So this is why the engine light is on the dashboard. So now we're gonna go check out the charge movement flap. So this is the last time the fault happened. It's happened 19 times. This is just information. But yeah, let's get to it. The charge movement flap is in a very awkward position. It sits right deep inside the V. So we need to strip out this area. Big jobs that are hard to do because first of all, the engine is hot. It's not really good working on this engine when it's hot because you're gonna get burnt hands. And we also see something else. The fuel is leaking. Why? Is because they put some stupid cheap clips. This is what I hate, man. This is what I hate.
It's not even on.
It's not even on, and it's some cheap clip. Like, why would you? And this customer tells me, he told me that, oh, I always get my car regularly serviced.
I don't believe that.
No, it's true, but obviously sometimes, okay, the person that put the clip is not his fault, right? Because obviously he's put a clip that he's been given, but this is the wrong clip. It should be a better clip than this. Should we disconnect the battery so we get this, move this control module, or leave it here? The actuator that we're looking at is right here. This is the one that's failed, and yeah, you know what? Yeah, instead of wasting time checking electronics, you know, the electronics, the powers and stuff like that, shall we check to plug in a brand new one and see if the fault codes go to stored from current? It's a better idea, right? I'm from Mercedes, so what we're gonna do, instead of wasting time checking all the wires and stuff like that, the fault code is a current and stored fault. Yes, so basically a cheat, or to save time, we're gonna plug a brand new one in. All right, now once we plug the brand new one inside, now that fault should move from current and it should go to stored on the computer straight away. Look what's happened. Everything's gone to stored. Remember this, before this was current and stored, now stored. So I guess that's what the problem is. The last time I done this, man, it was a headache. it's easy. Put it back. That's when the skills is needed. Yes, that's it. So this is the failed component. As you can see here, it's all covered in oil. Now this is due to the turbo seal. So we've replaced it with the new one. As you saw, it was not an easy one. Motor's tired. That's meant to be like moving very quick. I forgot to show you on the new one, but. And these are very common on these 642 engines.
Yeah, it's responding good, so we're going back.
We are Usco Cars. Thank you very much.